Okay, question number 13. The albedo of a planet with no atmosphere is 0.25. What is albedo? Albedo is nothing but I scattered divided by I incident is equal to 0.25. Okay, the reflected intensity is 240 watt per square meter. What is the outgoing radiated intensity? That's the question. So this value reflected intensity is given, which means what? This I is scattered is given. Okay, don't get confused saying that reflected and scattered are different. No, both are one and the same. So this is 240 is given. So first what we will do is I will find out I incident by using 240 divided by 0.25. How much is this? This value should be 240. Let me calculate. We're all been addicted to calculator nowadays. 240 divided by 0.25. So this should be 960. But 960 is not the right answer. I'll tell you why. 960 watt per square meter. What is this? This is your incident intensity. What will happen is this is the planet. The incoming intensity, it comes here and immediately it gets reflected here. Right? What is the intensity in incident? It is 960 here. And reflected is 240. This happens immediately. This happens immediately over here. But what is required is outgoing radiation intensity. Okay. So which means part of it gets absorbed here. How much does it get absorbed? So 960 minus 240 gets absorbed. I'll write I absorb, which should now be equal to how much? 6 minus 4 is 7, so 9 minus 2 is 7, 720 watt per meter square. Now after some time, the energy that is getting absorbed will be scattered or will be reflected backwards or will be radiated, not reflected, will be radiated. So there is a difference between radiation and reflection. Okay, a mirror will reflect. Radiation means something it gets absorbed and at a given temperature it starts radiating. Okay, this is the difference between these two. Don't get confused. So therefore radiation is simply 720. C is the right answer.